Reliance Water Controls introduces SharkBite, an innovative push-fit plumbing connection system which consists of an extensive range of fittings, valves, flexibles and accessories ranging from 10 to 54mm. SharkBite offers the most commonly available copper, PEX, carbon steel and polybutylene pipes in any combination, with no requirements for expensive or heavy tools or having to obtain hot work permits for soldering joints. There are 3 simple steps for connecting SharkBite: cut, push and done. Cut. Ensure the pipe is not damaged or scored and remove any adhesive labels or residue. Cut the pipe squarely using a rotary tube cutter, and using a deburring tool, make sure to remove all the debris and sharp edges. If installing PEX or polybutylene, cut the pipe using pipe cutters and insert the manufacturer's tube liner. Using the appropriate colour-coded disconnecting clip with integral depth marker, mark the socket depth on the pipe. Push. All SharkBite fittings and valves come in 7 colour-coordinated bags for easy size identification. Keep the fittings in the bag until it is required for installation. Ensure that the fitting and pipe are free from dirt and debris. Locate the end of the pipe squarely into the mouth of the fitting and push the pipe into the fitting with a slight twisting action until the pipe reaches the tube stop. Done. Check that the depth insertion mark on the tube corresponds with the disconnecting ring on the SharkBite fitting. Pull the tube to ensure that the joint is secure. Disconnection. Disconnecting 10mm to 28mm. Snap the clip over the pipe with the SharkBite logo away from the fitting. Press the clip against the disconnecting ring and pull on the pipe at the same time. Alternatively, use the disconnecting tongs around the fitting and squeeze the tongs together whilst pulling the pipe using your thumb to assist against the tongs. Disconnecting 35mm to 54mm. Slide the shark shifter disconnecting clip onto the tube to engage the disconnecting lugs on the fitting. Rotate the shark shifter disconnecting clip clockwise until it stops and then pull the pipe to remove. The RAS-approved SharkBite range utilises a robust ultra-low lead DZR brass body which complies with current UK and forthcoming European legislation. All SharkBite fittings and valves are demountable and immediately reusable and provide electrical continuity in sizes 15 to 54mm. For full installation instructions and further information, visit www.sharkbiteplumbing.co.uk.